already 8:30. 8:30. Oh no. My class starts at 9. I tried to wake you up earlier. Oh no, I overslept. Come on, get up. Hurry. Okay, I'm up. Go wash your face. I'll make coffee. Thank you, Mom. I can't find my brush. It's on the table. Oh, got it. What are you going to wear? I don't know. Maybe that white shirt? It's wrinkled. Seriously? I'll iron it quickly. You're the best. Hurry up and comb your hair. Grab your bag. Where is my bag? By the door. Oh, I see it. Your coffee is ready. I'll drink it on the way. Eat something too. No time, Mom. At least take a snack. Okay, I'll take it. Don't forget your phone. Got it. All right, go. How are you getting there? I'll call a taxi. Good idea. Let me open the app. Is it coming? Yeah, it'll be here in 3 minutes. Bye, Mom. Wait, your jacket. Oh, thanks. Be careful. I will.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Before we start, did you all finish the homework? Okay, let's check. Anna, can you answer question 3?
Question 3?
Yes, about the article we read.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't finish it.
You didn't?
I started it, but I didn't have time to finish.
Why not?
I overslept this morning and had to rush to class.
All right, but this is not the first time, Anna.
I know, I'm really sorry.
You need to manage your time better.
Yes, I will, I promise.
Okay, please make sure it's done for next class.
I will, thank you.
Anyone who did finish it? Good. Let's hear from you.
I can answer.
Go ahead.
You're lucky he didn't get mad. Yeah, I need to wake up earlier tomorrow. Finally, classes are over. Yeah, I'm so tired. Are you going home now? No, I have work. Oh, right, you work as a waiter. Yes, my shift starts soon. That's a long day, school and work. I know, but I need the money. Respect. Don't forget to eat. I'll try. See you later. Bye. Good luck.
You're just in time.
Sorry, I came as fast as I could.
It's okay. We're busy today.
I'm ready.
Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
can I see the menu?
Of course, here you go.
What do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken is very popular.
Okay, I'll take that.
Would you like something to drink?
Just water, please.
Sure, I'll bring your order soon.
Can Can I get the check, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
Cash or card?
Card.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Hi. I'm here to pick up my little brother.
Hello. Just a moment, please.
Okay.
He's in the playroom.
Thank you.
Sister,
Hi. Did you have a good day?
yes, we played games.
That's nice. Are you ready to go home?
Yes,
He was very active today.
Oh, really?
Yes, but he was a good boy.
Thank you for taking care of him.
You're welcome.
Say,